That's that is not it. I need to fix this. Today I'm going to be doing a light pink makeup. It's basically like very natural and stuff like that, and I'm so excited to show you guys. I just realized that my camera was crooked. Okay, so the first one is obviously concealer. I'm not going to use foundation because I want it to be very natural. Also, these are for my portfolio. I'm blending it now. Okay, so I've finished out like putting it down. Now I'm gonna get my wet beauty blender. A wet beauty blender is always better than a dry one because it makes it a whole lot easier just for it to blend and really put the makeup on your skin instead of it being all of dry and stuff like that. So I don't spray it with water, I actually dunk it. Not dunk it, but I put it under a sink and then like put it under and then I squeeze it out afterwards or else it'll be too wet. And then one thing that I've actually noticed that I think it's moisturizing. I know moisturizing is like very important for that. And before your makeup, make sure you always moisturize because I did that a couple of times and then the makeup where I put it on, I would spray it, but it wasn't moisturized enough, so it left like a mark. And I have to rub it out with my hands. I finished blending out the concealer. I just used this brush. This is not a concealer brush. I have a concealer brush, but it's just not washed and I have to wash it, but I just put it in and I just set it down. I'm setting it down with a wet beauty blender because a wet beauty blender is always better than a dry one, just so it can actually like set the makeup on your face really good. And moisturizing is really good. Moisturizing, then if you want primer, you can use primer as well, but I don't know, but I don't really know if moisturizing and primer, because primer is like supposed to really like make your makeup stick on and last for a long time, but moisturizing will also keep your base look very nice and glowy and stuff like that. In like real life, it looks good. In the camera, it looks good. That means it looks good. So we're done with the base. Now we'll be going for blush. This is the part where I'm scared because I feel like I have blush blindness. If you don't know what that is, basically when you put on too much blush, but then you don't know. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. But for this, it's like clean makeup, but also light makeup. But this is red. It will come out different anyways. Then I'm gonna use, oh wait, actually no. I'm gonna use this blush brush. This was easier than expected. I surprised it to take longer than for me to be like, let me add more blush. But this is going good. I'm not getting tempted to go over. For some people, they say that this isn't clean makeup or coquette makeup, but not coquette, but clean makeup. But like everyone's different, so they have their own ways of like doing it. So someone might put on foundation, someone might not put on foundation and put on concealer. Someone might not do either of them. So now we're done with the blush. So we are going on to the lips. Yes, we're going on to the lips. The lips are actually very easy. I'm just going in with this lip liner. I made a mistake buying this lip liner because it's like very, this is on, okay, this is on the skin. It's a bit too bright. I meant to buy like a brown one. I thought it was brown. Don't know why I thought about it, but I don't use it to overline the whole lip. I just go against these corners where it's like dark, and then it matches with my down lip, so I just did it. Okay. It's okay, we're gonna add lip product anyways. If you're wondering what product this is the Essence Waterproof Lip Liner. I actually haven't said it. This is the Essence Waterproof Lip Liner. This is the Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Concealer. This is it. It's in the shade Dark 5C. Don't know what shade this is, but if you see anything like this on the internet, I bought it on Amazon. Now we are going in for the lipstick. I'm using the same thing, and I'm gonna go like that, 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 that. Lip gloss. This is just some random called Pure. It has SPF inside, SPF 15. That is not it. I need to fix this. I cleaned up the lip. It looks a bit lighter in real life, but a bit brighter on camera. And we're gonna fix this hair, and then I'm gonna come back. This makeup look is actually really nice. I really like it. It looks really nice and natural. I removed the headband and I like it a lot better now. I'm done with the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video on my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!